Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 23. What is WYZ in correction? The answer is, in a 333 combination, let's say tripe zigzag as we see. The first zigzag is completed, A, B, C, 5, 3, 5. We call this W, followed by correction of the zigzag ABC, 3, 3, 3.
Code number 17. Jess Livermore said, I learned early that there is nothing new in Wall Street. There can be, because speculation is as old as the hills. Whatever happens in the stock market today has happened before and will happen again. I've never forgotten that. This means that it's a well-known fact that markets repeat themselves. If a situation appeared before, it will certainly reappear. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.